That's crazy.
But and that's
let's go inside for a little bit.
that's a little bit.
There's some AC around. I guess not. Let's shade. Yeah, that's good. Keep that white clean. It's hard to keep that white clean.
Oh yeah.
This paint right here is great.
Yeah.
This is real nice paint.
That's the same breed on that pickup at the shop.
Yeah, it's around there.
He was thinking about 4 leaking in, but he didn't want to spend the additional money. This is nice. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. That's where I started. The first thing I did is take the cab off. Yep. And started working on the frame.
Yeah. That's what's
Okay.
up.
Did the 4-link.
Yeah.
And then the heights front end.
Okay.
Pull over on front end.
Okay.
And that is awesome.
Yeah. I can imagine that ought to handle really, really well.
It does. And just kind of work from ground up.
Yeah, that ought to really work well. Yes, it did.
And then I made my own paint booth at the house. I painted it at the house.
Oh, okay. Hey, yeah. Now see it, like I say, I have a place out in a little place called Karnak, and built me a building, and I've got a building here in Fort Worth, but I had 12 acres out there, so I went out, built me a 40 by 60 out there, and so I'm trying to get everything set up so I can sell all this crap here, because it costs me more here.
Shorty? Shorty over here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
We gotta go out.
Go out.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Shit.
Yeah. That's it.
this first one. And everything else is spare tire.
Spotlight.
That's the same wheel you got on that car.
Yeah.
Put in there, inside of here, and then the wind would go through there, and it would blow it out in there with the windows up.
And the window come out.
Yeah, the window comes out too.
This a 40.
This is 46. Yeah, this is a 46.
The Billy's didn't do that.
This is, yeah, it did.
Did?
Yeah, it came out.
I'm like, shit, man. So I gotta
I think it would have made